What's up, future online entrepreneurs? Welcome back to the Money Making Pals channel, where we help you unlock your earning potential and live life on your own terms. If you've ever wondered how people make big money online without creating their own products, today's your lucky day. We're diving into the world of affiliate marketing and breaking down the 10 best programs that can help you earn up to $500 a day in 2024. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced marketer, these programs are designed to skyrocket your earnings. So grab a pen, take some notes, and let's get started. Please watch until the end as the programs get better and better. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for all things money. Before we dive into the top programs, let's quickly cover the basics. What exactly is affiliate marketing? Simply put, affiliate marketing is a way to earn money by promoting other people's products. You find a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. It's a win-win situation. The product owners get more sales, and you get a cut of their profits. Affiliate marketing works across virtually every niche, from health and wellness to technology, personal finance, and more. Whether you have a blog, a YouTube channel, or a social media following, you can tap into affiliate marketing to generate significant income. And the best part, you don't need to create, store, or ship any products. All you do is promote and earn. So why these 10 programs? In the vast world of affiliate marketing, not all programs are created equal. The programs we're about to discuss have been selected based on several key factors. First of all, high commissions. We're talking about programs that offer generous payouts. Because let's be real, if you're aiming for $500 a day, you need commissions that make it worth your while. Number 2, a proven track record. These programs have a solid reputation and a proven track record of paying affiliates on time every time. Number 3, wide market appeal. We've chosen programs with products that are high demand, making them easier to sell and promote. Number 4, quality marketing materials. You want programs that provide you with top-notch marketing tools like banners, email templates, and more to make your job as an affiliate easier. And number 5, recurring commissions. Some of these programs offer recurring commissions, meaning that you can earn money month after month from the same customer. So are you ready to learn about the top programs that can help you hit that $500 a day mark? Let's get into it. First up, we have the powerhouse of e-commerce, Amazon Associates. As one of the largest affiliate programs in the world, Amazon Associates allows you to earn commissions by promoting millions of products across nearly every category imaginable. Signing up is easy. Just create an Amazon Associates account, grab your unique affiliate links, and start promoting. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. The commission rates vary by category, but with the Amazon wide range of products, its massive customer base, the earning potential is huge. To maximize your earnings, focus on promoting high-ticket items or bundling products together. And don't forget about seasonal promotions. Holidays and sales events can drive a ton of traffic and boost your commissions. While Amazon's commission rates may not be the highest, the volume of sales you can generate make it a top choice for affiliate marketers aiming for that $500 a day goal. Next on our list is ClickBank, a leading marketplace for digital products. If you're looking to promote high-margin products with substantial commissions, ClickBank is a goldmine. From ebooks and online courses to software and memberships, ClickBank offers products across a wide range of niches. To get started, sign up as an affiliate, browse the marketplace, and choose products that align with your niche or audience. What makes ClickBank stand out is its high commission rates, which can range from 50% to 75% and even higher for some products. That means on a $100 product, you could earn $50 to $75 per sale. When selecting products, pay attention to the gravity score, which indicates how well a product is selling. Also, look for products that offer upsells, as these can significantly increase your earnings per customer. With the right product, it's entirely possible to generate $500 or more per day just from ClickBank alone. Moving on, we have ShareSL, one of the most popular affiliate networks with over 20 years in the business. ShareSL connects affiliates with thousands of merchants offering everything from physical products to digital services. Signing up with Share a Sale gives you access to a massive range of affiliate programs in almost every niche. Whether you're interested in fashion, home goods, or software, there's something for everyone. The commission rates vary depending on the merchant, but they can be quite lucrative, especially with high-ticket items or subscription services. To succeed with Share a Sale, focus on building relationships with the merchants that you promote. Some merchants offer higher commissions or bonuses to top affiliates, so it pays to reach out and connect. Also, prioritize high-converting products with strong demand. Share a Sale's tracking and reporting tools make it easy to optimize your campaigns and maximize your earnings. Next up is CJ Affiliate, formerly known as Commission Junction. CJ Affiliate is a powerhouse in the affiliate marketing world, partnering with some of the biggest brands out there, including GoPro, Overstock, and Grammarly. Joining CJ Affiliate is straightforward. Once approved, you can browse through hundreds of advertisers and find products or services that align with your audience. CJ is particularly strong in the tech, retail, and travel niches, making it a great choice if you're targeting those markets. One of the key advantages of CJ Affiliate is its robust analytics and reporting tools, which help you optimize your campaigns for maximum conversions. Use deep linking to send your audience directly to specific products and take advantage of CJ's data insights to focus on high-performing offers. With some of CJ's top brands offering commissions of 10 to 20%, you can hit your 500 a day target with the right approach. Our fifth affiliate program is Awin, another giant in the affiliate marketing industry with a global reach. Awin partners with over 15,000 advertisers offering a vast selection of products and services to promote. Signing up with Awin requires a small fee, which is refunded once you start earning commissions. After joining, you can choose from a wide range of advertisers in industries like fashion, finance, and travel. Awin's global reach makes it an excellent choice if you have an international audience. To boost your earnings with Awin, consider focusing on seasonal campaigns. Things like holiday sales or back-to-school promotions can drive a lot of traffic. Awin also offers useful tools like coupon code tracking and product-level reporting, which can help you fine-tune your strategy and increase your earnings. Next, we have the eBay Partner Network, the official affiliate program of eBay. With eBay, you can promote millions of products across virtually every category imaginable. Joining the eBay Partner Network is free and easy, and once you're in, you can start promoting any product listed on eBay. What's unique about eBay's affiliate program is that you earn a commission not just on the product that you promote, but on any purchase the customer makes within 24 hours of clicking your link. To maximize your earnings, consider promoting eBay auctions, which often attract a lot of traffic and bidding activity. You can also use eBay's dynamic ads to automatically display the most relevant products to your audience. With competitive commission rates and a massive product catalog, the eBay Partner Network is a solid option for affiliates aiming to earn $500 a day. Our seventh program is the Shopify Affiliate Program, perfect for those who want to tap into the booming e-commerce market. Shopify is one of the leading e-commerce platforms helping entrepreneurs worldwide build and manage their online stores. To get started, apply for the Shopify Affiliate Program. Once approved, you can earn commissions by promoting Shopify to aspiring entrepreneurs and businesses. Shopify offers a generous commission structure. Affiliates earn a flat fee of $58 for each new user who signs up for a paid plan through their link. To succeed in Shopify, target startups, small businesses, and individuals interested in e-commerce. Content marketing such as tutorials, case studies, and success stories can be highly effective in driving conversions. With Shopify's strong brand recognition and high conversion rates, it's a great program to help you reach that $500 a day milestone. Next on our list is the Bluehost Affiliate Program. If you're in the blogging, website development, or online business niches, Bluehost is a top web hosting provider that can promote with confidence. Signing up for the Bluehost affiliate program is simple. After you're approved, you can start promoting their hosting plans. Bluehost offers one of the highest affiliate payouts in the industry, with a commission of $65 for every customer who signs up through your referral link. To maximize your earnings, create how-to guides, comparison articles, or reviews that showcase the benefits of using Bluehost. Target new bloggers and small businesses as they're often in need of reliable web hosting. With Bluehost's strong reputation and high commissions, hitting $500 a day is definitely achievable. Our 9th program is the NordVPN affiliate program. With online privacy becoming more important than ever, promoting a top-tier VPN service like NordVPN can be very lucrative. To join the NordVPN affiliate program, simply add online and start promoting their services. NordVPN offers a generous commission structure with up to 40% per sale. With VPNs being in high demand for both individuals and businesses is a great niche to tap into. To drive conversions, focus on creating cybersecurity content such as blog posts, videos, or guides that explain the importance of online privacy. Promoting discounts or high offers from NordVPN can also increase your conversion rates. With the potential for high recurring commissions, NordVPN is a solid choice for affiliates aiming for substantial daily earnings. Last but not least, we have the SEMrush affiliate program. SEMrush is a leading SEO tool that's used by marketers, bloggers, and businesses around the world to improve their online visibility. The SEMrush affiliate program, also known as BRush, offers a competitive commission structure with recurring payouts of up to 40% per sale. This means that you can earn ongoing income as long as your referrals continue to use SEMrush. To succeed with SEMrush, target digital marketers, bloggers, and small businesses who need SEO tools. Creating tutorials, case studies, or comparison articles that showcase SEMrush features can drive high-quality traffic and conversions. With recurring commissions, SEMrush offers an excellent long-term earning potential. And there you have it, the 10 best affiliate marketing programs that can help you earn $500 a day in 2024. Each of these programs offers something unique, whether it's high commissions, recurring payouts, or a wide range of products to promote. Remember, the key to success in affiliate marketing is choosing the right programs, understanding your audience, and consistently promoting products that provide real value. As you get started, keep these final tips in mind. Stay consistent with your promotions, track your results to see what's working, and don't be afraid to scale up on your successful campaigns. With dedication and the right strategy, $500 a day is a realistic and achievable goal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so that you never miss out on more tips and strategies for making money online. Drop a comment below and let us know which affiliate program you're excited to try first. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success in 2024 and beyond.